Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we have a quick tip. I'm going to show you how to get the mirror image or reverse image of a stamp. And on this card you can tell with the dragon, the stamp actually stamps like this, but I stamped it going the opposite way, the reverse image, this way. And then I wanted to show you this one here using the Lovely as a Tree. You can do it as a mirror image like it's a reflection in the water. And then I used it also with the We Must Celebrate stamp set as a mirror image in the water with the cute little critters there. Alright, so let me show you how we're going to do this today. You're going to use the Silicone Craft Sheet, and I'm going to use a piece of Whisper White. Then we're going to use the water-based Memento ink. And I'm going to first show you the dragon one, how I did the background. So I'm putting the Whisper White underneath the Silicone Craft Sheet so I can kind of get an idea of where I'm going to be stamping this little dragon. So this is the dragon. Let me show you the stamp set. This is the Magical Day, and there he is right there. So we're just going to go ahead and stamp him a couple times on this Silicone Craft Sheet. I'm going to stamp him once up here, and then I'm going to stamp him again down here. So stamping the reversed image first and then going back and filling in with the regular image is a little bit easier, at least for me. So now we're going to take the Whisper White piece and we're just going to layer it right on top of that Silicone Craft Sheet and press that Whisper White down into the image that we stamped. I'm going to lift it off, and there it is. Okay, so now we're going to stamp him the regular way. I'm going to grab some scrap. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and stamp the dragon the correct way on the background and just kind of fill in the white space. So you can see that they're facing each other now. It's pretty cool. Okay, so there's your background for your card. And here's the finished card that I made. So now you can see how I got that dragon to go the opposite way, or the reverse image. Alright, so now let me show you how I did the water image, or the reflection. And I have a video on this that I did years ago, but the craft sheet works so nice. Okay, so I'm going to use the Lovely as a Tree. This stamp set has been around for a long time with Stampin' Up. It's a top favorite, even to this day, because it's so versatile for any occasion. I loved it for Christmas cards, just because you could add a lot of glitter to the trees. Okay, so now to make your mirror image, we're going to go ahead and stamp the trees onto the Silicone Craft Sheet. Let me grab some more Whisper White. And once again, I'm going to stamp it this way. So I'm just going to lay my Whisper White piece underneath there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and stamp the trees, again in the Memento ink. And I'm going to stamp it along the edge. Okay, then we're going to take our Whisper White piece again. I'm going to put it right at the top, like that, and press that down again. Okay, so this is going to be the mirror image that's going to actually be like the water of the reflection. Then we're going to go ahead and stamp the Lovely as a Tree again right along that baseline. Hopefully I can get this somewhat lined up. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so then you can see right where the water line is going to be for the trees. Let me show you the sample again. For this one, I just used the Pool Party, the Stampin' Blends marker, and I just made the water line. And then for the land part of the trees, I just used the light Old Olive Stampin' Blends. So you get that reflection. And then I also added some Wink of Stella to the water. Isn't that pretty? And of course, you can really gussy that up, but I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of how you can make your reverse image or your mirror image. And then of course you're just going to use a baby wipe to clean off your Silicone Craft Sheet each time you want to stamp an image. And that comes off really easy. Just rub your baby wipe across your Silicone Craft Sheet. And that's it. So I also brought out a few other stamp sets to give you an idea that you can use this technique with. Of course with the Lovely as a Tree. And then this is the We Must Celebrate, which this stamp set is in the Occasions catalog right now. So I gave that one a mirror image. Isn't that cute? And then here's the Magical Day, the dragon. And then I thought the Country Living stamp set with this classic truck would be really awesome for a mirror image, like in the water. And then the idea came from Stampin' Up. I seen it on one of their social media sites, and they used the bird banter. And they had them like being lovebirds. I thought that was really cute too. So that's a really cute image to use for the reverse image. Okay, so that's it. Isn't that fun? All right, so that's your quick tip today. And I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by and we'll see you later. Bye.